How to change Instagram grid layout back to square. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram grid layout back to square. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your Instagram account and then you gotta click on your profile here at the bottom right. So just click on your profile, and once you do so you will be redirected to your profile. Now you gotta select a particular image of your account. Now for example, I'm gonna select this image over here, and you can see that it is not square, it's kind of rectangular thingy. This was basically a latest update by Instagram, but most of the people don't like it. So if you want your Instagram profile to look like exactly how it used to before, you can just click on the picture right now and then click on these three dots here at the top right. And once you do so, you gotta click on adjust preview over here, and then you gotta click on fill, and now you can see that the Instagram layout of picture has been changed to square just like it used to before. Now you can test it on different backgrounds. For example, you can test it on the dark mode background and also on the light mode background. So after that you can click on done, and once you do so you can see that your Instagram grid layout has gone back to square. So that is basically how you can change Instagram grid layout. So that is basically how you can change Instagram grid layout back to square. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.